We are a community college district. Our community reaches back to help us when we need them to. That is what happened in July of 2021. Our state leaders successfully directed $4 million in state funds to help us continue the public radio and TV programming that we all enjoy on KVCR. On behalf of our colleges, trustees, and wider community, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Governor Newsom and our Inland Empire legislative delegation who made this critical funding a reality. I would especially like to recognize the leadership of Assembly Majority Leader Eloise Reyes, Assemblymember James Ramos, Assemblymember Freddie Rodriguez, and Senator Connie Leyva. We are forever grateful for the $4 million in the state funds that we are celebrating today, because it will keep NPR and PBS programming in the Inland Empire. KVCR is located at our San Bernardino Valley College campus. This close proximity means that our students can use KVCR as a learning laboratory to train for careers in California's billion-dollar media industry. KVCR is where Sesame Street and other educational programming is beamed out to the littlest TV watchers of the Inland Empire. We are also so proud to watch FNX, the first and only television network in the United States that focuses exclusively on our Native American brothers and sisters. FNX was created as a shared vision between our founding partners, the San Manuel Band of Mission Indians and the San Bernardino Community College District. Our K-12 schools tell us that they use KVCR programming in their curriculum and would like to find even more ways to bring relevant programming into the classroom. Our community needs KVCR, and KVCR needs our community. Our community needs KVCR, and KVCR needs our community. Streaming services like Netflix and Hulu may be a luxury that low-income families simply cannot afford. KVCR, on the other hand, is free. It's online on 91.9 FM and TV channel 24. It's an essential tool for our kids to learn their ABCs and for adults to learn something new every day. So I ask for your partnership today and in the future. It is a matter of educational equity in this community, not only to maintain our excellent community college district, but to keep KVCR in the heart of it. We are a powerful, diverse region. KVCR celebrates that diversity, innovation, and resilience of the Inland Empire. To our state leaders and community supporters, thank you. Thank you for your support, and thank you for your advocacy for KVCR.